So here we are with the Midland Porter Pack 77805 UK. This is the one with the proper rotary channel switch rather than the encoder, which just is like an up down. So you've got channel 9 printed on here. This is the better set of the two. 1990, extensive repairs, all to do with the receiver. We were able to run this on 13.8 volts. When I did the service work, I did it all on 12 volts. I looked at the instruction book that I've got on file, and you can safely use it on 13.8. So there we go. But I didn't want to do that without reference to the instruction book, with it being a portable set running on a 12 volt battery. So we'll flick it onto Mr Chippie channel. I'll start off on the speaker. This is a speaker microphone, so the microphone is in the speaker, and the microphone is the speaker, which is used in reverse through a transformer. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just making contact with you.
Roger that, you ready to go?
I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger.
Never get it back in the right position though now. Roger, I'm ready.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. So I haven't got a tone control for you.
You haven't?
No, I haven't.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
We're now passing Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Ah, we're 2 minutes late.
Yeah, more like 13.
I see. I was adjusting my pedal board.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner loud and clear. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner loud and clear.
Midland 77805 UK Porterpack. That's its early version, with the proper rotary channel switch and with the factory original speaker mic, doing 3.6 watts there.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Oh, I've just remembered the road's closed at Rauceby level crossing.
Oh, Roger, if you're going on to do some shopping, you'll have to take a detour, won't you?
Yeah, well, we'll do the 5 mile test at the Greyleys turn, and I'll go across and go round Greyleys to my destination. So we'll have to leave it at that unless you want to carry on round Greyleys.
Just thinking you could come back on yourself until you've got the stopover.
Yeah, no, I don't want to do that.
Right, so we'll leave it at 5 mile point, shall we?
Yeah, unless you want to continue with me at Greyleys, but it's fairly meaningless since we don't normally do it.
Do an extra mile for a laugh.
Yeah, roger. We passed the level crossing a while back, by the way.
Oh yeah, Roger, you're probably at the Kelvington now.
Not far off. Right, we're now passing the Kelvy turn. Over.
Roger, I got you at the Kelvington.
So, we do a test tomorrow. We need to do it before, I think it'll be about half 6, I reckon.
Yeah, Roger, I'm aiming to our DNG base station, that's right.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so on this Midland 77805, pulse battery 3.6 watts, it's drawing 900 milliamps, we'll flick it to low power, which is 400 milliwatts in this case, 54321, there we are on low power, 400 milliwatts, drawing 450 milliamps, that's normal power, now we're back to full power, which is 3.6 watts there.
Yeah, roger that. Well, received you extremely well on both today.
I must say it's actually working better today, so perhaps the leaves are damp with the rain and its propagation is better.
Possibly, I wouldn't know, but there we go, it's all good.
Right, so when we...
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Midland 77805 ports battery 3.6 watts. It's drawing 900 milliamps. We'll flick it to low power, which is 400 milliwatts in this case. 54321. There we are on low power. 400 milliwatts. It's drawing 450 milliamps. Back to normal power. And there we are back to full power, which is 3.6 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, received you extremely well on both today.
I must say it's actually working better today. So perhaps the leaves are damp with the rain and its propagation is better.
Possibly, I wouldn't know, but there we go, it's all good.
Right, so when we've done from this, you're going to go in the opposite direction towards South Rauceby, and then you're going to go up the hill towards North Rauceby, and you'll be effectively passing the church, and I think that'll be the point at which to end it over.
Negative. Now I'm going to go through Grayleys.
Oh, Roger, going that. Right, we'll do another mile.
Roger.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger. As the GPS is logged on today, it would be interesting to see the map.
It was showing me a GPS signal at the start.
That means nothing.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're just turning down the road to Grayleys.
Roger.
And the barriers are down. Now they're down because a train's coming, must be. I know that sounded a bit stupid, but I just wondered if it was part of the works going on. Yeah, I don't know what they've got here, but it's wiping you out over. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're on the move again. Of course, it's a manual level crossing there, so you have to wait for him to get out and open the gates again.
Yeah, the old-fashioned way. We're just passing the entrance to the new build bit of the Rauceby estate. Is that where we'll call it a day?
Or is it called Grayleys up there? I'm not quite sure. Yeah, if you want to, I can leave it till we get to the A15.
Yes, I don't mind carrying on.
Roger that, we'll do that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the junction for the A15.
Roger, so now you're going back to the roundabout?
I'm going back that direction, do you want to stay with me to the roundabout?
Yes, and we've done more than what we normally do.
Yeah, roger that, no problem.
Somebody can accuse us of curtailing the test.
No. Quite a long track this bit, you forget. You think, oh, it's just a shortcut round, but it's longer than you think actually, isn't it?
Yes, find the right way is different grading output.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're just coming up to Quarrington roundabout, isn't it?
Roger, okay, you've got no special prices today. One was closed and the other one was closed because of the railway.
Yep, roger that. By the way, this road work's ongoing till the 2nd of September.
So this is going to be fun then, isn't it?
So, like I say, we have to be a bit early with the tests.
Yeah, we must bear that in mind. Okay then, thanks for that, then.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're just coming up to Quarrington roundabout, isn't it?
Roger, okay, you've got no petrol prices today. One was closed and the other one was closed because of the railway.
Yep, roger that. By the way, this road work's ongoing till the 2nd of September.
Oh, this is going to be fun then, isn't it?
Like I say, we have to be a bit early with the test.
Yeah, we must bear that in mind. Okay then, thanks for that, 10-10.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Well, that worked great despite the detour. Right, so we'll see what it sounds like on that factory original microphone into our base station.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 77805 Waterback into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original microphone. Tango Tom testing 12345 54321. We'll pop it onto low power, which is 400 milliwatts. Then we go on low power, 12345, and back to full power, which is 3.6 watts